Namaskaram. Welcome all the beautiful ladies in the house. Today I'm in the Varma Lakshmi Silks, road number 56, Jubilee Hills, and I have bought you beautiful collections of Banarasi silk sarees. Let's start with my saree. See, as you can see, the overall body of the saree, we have beautiful meenas with golden and silver zari, flower booties, beautiful maroon color saree we have. Let me show you the border of the saree. If you can see the border of the saree, we have beautiful meenas designed with silver and gold zari. Let's check on the pallu. Very beautiful pallu we have with beautiful meenas and peacock booties on that. Let's see the price and details of the saree. Code of the saree MH750 and the price of the saree 21,199. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. What a lovely color we have. Rose color saree with beautiful meenas all over the body of the saree with flower booties, mango small pistils, as you can see. Very elegant. Jamdani design we have all over the body of the saree. Let's see the border. Beautiful border we have with golden and silver zari. Let me show you the pallu now. And again, pallu is highlighted with meenas with golden and silver zari. Let's check on the beautiful blouse. What a lovely color blouse we have, as you can see. Beautiful rose color blouse. The contrast color they have given. So elegant. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree LX107 and the price of the saree 31,499. Let's move on to beautiful saree. Before moving on to another beautiful saree, we have cash on delivery only available in Hyderabad and global shipment as well. Wherever you stay in all over the world, we have the door delivery option to your steps with beautiful sarees from our today's collection. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Beautiful royal blue color saree, and we have, as you can see, overall body of the saree. We have the vertical lines with silver zari. Let's check on the border now. Wow, the border is highlighted with so many beautiful pictures, as you can see, with meenas in between that, the combination of gold and silver zari. Let's check on the pallu. Beautiful running pallu they have given, highlighted with meenas with vertical silver zari lines. Let's check on the blouse. Beautiful blouse with blue color blouse with golden color zari. Amazing color combination. Let's check on the price and details. Code of the saree MH757 and the price of the saree 23,499. To buy this beautiful saree, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 890001 and 0002. Our team will assist you. Let's move to another amazing saree. We have beautiful crystal color saree. As you can see, very beautiful onion pink color saree. Let me show you the body of the saree. As you can see, body of the saree, we have beautiful flower booties combined with silver and golden zari all over the body of the saree. The beautiful border of the saree has the vertical lines designed with golden zari with small flower booties in that. Let's check the pallu now. So elegant, lovely pallu they have given, running pallu with golden zari again with diamond shaped patterns. So beautiful. Let's check on the blouse. Wow. Beautiful blouse. Onion pink color blouse with golden zari border. Let's check the present details. Code of the saree MH747 and the price of the saree 19,699. Let's move on to another lovely side. Wow. Very beautiful color, dark color, green color saree we have. Let's check the body now. We have beautiful mango pistils all over the body with golden zari as you can see. Let's show me the border. The border is designed with beautiful flower booties and small leaf booties as well. Pallu. The saree has a running beautiful pallu with floral jars, golden zari with golden zari pattern. Let me show you the blouse. Beautiful dark green color blouse with golden zari border. Very elegant, very lovely saree. Let's check the present details now. Code of the saree MH754 and the price of the saree 12,399. Let me show you another beautiful Banarasi silk. Another dark color, beautiful orange color saree, Banarasi. Very beautiful. If you can see all over body, we have beautiful peacocks highlighted with meenas and so many elephants are there with floral booties as well. Golden zari. If you can see the border is highlighted with silver zari, small diamond shaped booties in that. So beautiful. Let's check the pallu. Beautiful pallu they have given with diamond shaped small booties in between that with golden zari. Let's check the blouse. Beautiful blouse they have given, orange color blouse with golden zari border. So elegant. Let's check the price and details now. Code of the saree MH753 and the price of the saree 22699. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Wow. Another beautiful color combination, black with orange color. Let me show you the body of the saree now. The body of the saree is highlighted with golden zari. In between, it is highlighted with silver zari, peacock meenas, and elephants as well. Very elegant. See the border. Border is highlighted with small temples, and in between, it is highlighted with diamond shaped booties. Very beautiful. Let's check the pallu. Beautiful running pallu again with golden zari pattern. Diamond shaped booties they have given small. Let me show you the blouse now. Wow. Beautiful contrast blouse, black color blouse with golden zari border. So beautiful. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MD995 and the price of the saree 24,999. Let's move on to another lovely saree. As you can see, rose color saree, very beautiful color. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with meenas, with flower booties, with golden zari, floral jar. Let's check the border now. Wow, beautiful border is highlighted with meenas again, with mango pistils. Let's check the pallu. Running pallu with beautiful meenas and mango pistils. Let's see the blouse. The blouse is highlighted with the golden zari in between the meenas. Very beautiful. And let's check the price and details. Code of the sari KY372 and the price of the sari 26299. To buy this beautiful sari from today's collection, do WhatsApp our number 8900010002. Let's move to another beautiful sari. Very lightweight, another beautiful color, neon green color. As you can see all over the body, we have beautiful meenas with golden zari. We have beautiful flower booties in between the sari, highlighted with meenas. Let's check the border now. Self border is designed with beautiful silver zari, floral jar pattern. Let's see the pallu. Running pallu they have given, highlighted with meenas. So pretty. This beautiful sari has beautiful blouse with golden zari floral pattern. Let's check the price and details. Code of the sari MH759 and the price of the sari 31,799. Let's move to another beautiful Banarasi silk sari. Another beautiful color we have here, rose color, and we have beautiful flower booties all over the body of the sari with golden zari. Let's check the border. Border is highlighted with floral jar. In between, we have beautiful flower booties. So elegant. Let me show you the pallu. They have given beautiful running pallu. And big, we have pieces, leaf pieces all over the pallu. Let's check the blouse now. Beautiful color blouse, rose color blouse with golden zari floral jar pattern border they have given. So beautiful. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the sari MH749 and the viewer's price 12,399. Send it to a WhatsApp number, that is 890001 and 0002. Let's move on to another amazing sari. Beautiful color, beautiful purple color. If you can see overall body of the sari, we have small booties, diamond shaped booties with silver zari. So beautiful. They have given beautiful self border with zigzag lines. Amazing combination. Let's check on the pallu. Again, running pallu with beautiful zigzag lines, golden zari with golden zari. Let's move on to the blouse now. Beautiful blouse with royal blue color with golden zigzag zari border. Let's see the price and details. Code of the sari MH755 and the viewer's price is 32299. Let's move on to another beautiful sari. Another beautiful color we have over here. Blue color, amazing color. As you can see, overall body of the sari, we have floral jars, beautiful flower booties in between that. Let's check the border now. Border is highlighted with floral jar pattern with diamond shaped booties in between that. Let me show you pallu. Beautiful running pallu highlighted with big flower booties. Very beautiful. The blouse is very lovely with beautiful color, beautiful blue color with silver zari border. Let's check the price and details now. Code of the saree MH744 and the price of the saree 12,860. Let's move on to another lovely saree. We have another dark color shade saree, red color, beautiful color. As you can see, body of the saree, overall body, we have beautiful cow, peacock, and so many uh, beautiful animal pictures with highlighted with Meenas. Beautiful, right? Let's check the border. And body is highlighted with silver zari. Let me show you the pallu. Again, they have given beautiful running pallu with diamond pattern booties, highlighted with floral jar. Let's check the blouse now. Very lovely blouse they have given. Red color combined with golden zari floral jar pattern border. So beautiful. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot of the saree with the item code. Code of the saree LT552 and the price of the saree 21,199. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. We have another dark color, beautiful, lovely saree, green color, neon green color. As you can see, body of the saree is highlighted with golden zari, flower motifs with floral jar pattern. Now let's check the border. The border is highlighted with flower booties, very beautiful, with silver zari. Let's check the pallu. They have given running pallu, beautiful pattern, floral jar. Let me show you the blouse now. Very pretty blouse, neon green color blouse with golden zari border. So beautiful. Now let's check the price and details of the saree. Code of the saree MH758 and the price of the saree 11,999. Let's move to another beautiful saree. Wow. Very beautiful color, purple color saree. Let me show you the body now. If you can see overall body of the saree, we have peacocks with silver zari, highlighted with beautiful meenas in between that, flower booties. Beautiful border, we have floral jar pattern, highlighted with silver zari. Very elegant. Let's check the pallu. They have given beautiful running pallu, highlighted with flower motifs, with leaf as well. Very beautiful. Let me show you the blouse now. Lovely blouse, purple color blouse with golden zari border highlighted with silver zari. Very elegant. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MH756 and the price of the saree 24,300. Let's move to another lovely saree. Beautiful Banarasi silk saree. Let me show you the body. The body of the saree is highlighted with zigzag pattern golden zari. Very elegant. And they have given the self border highlighted with small flower booties. Very beautiful. Let me show you the pallu. Again, running pallu with beautiful vertical lines and checks pattern, as you can see. Very elegant. The saree has very lovely contrast blouse. Rose color blouse, as you can see. Very beautiful color with golden zari. Very beautiful combination. Let's check the price and details of this beautiful saree. Code of the saree LP533 and the price of the saree 11,799. Before moving to another beautiful saree, we have video call facility also. take a screenshot of a beautiful saree from today's collection and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002, and our team will assist you. Let's move on to another amazing saree. Beautiful royal blue color saree, Banarasi silk. The body of the saree is highlighted with beautiful deers, flower booties, floral jars, highlighted with meenas, very beautiful. Let's see the border. Border is highlighted with silver zari, very beautifully designed. Let me show you the pallu. Self pallu with silver zari. They have given the horizontal pattern, very beautiful. Now let's see the blouse. This beautiful saree has a very lovely blouse, as you can see. Beautiful blouse. Let's check the price and details now. Code of the saree MH752 and the price of the saree 22,699. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Wow. Very lovely golden sheet saree, golden sheet color saree. The body of the saree is highlighted with floral jars combined with golden and silver zari. Amazing work. You can see the border. The border itself very beautiful. Let's check the pallu. Running pallu, highlighted with golden zari, floral jar all over the pallu. Very beautiful. Wow. Lovely blouse. Beautiful blouse with contrast golden zari. Let's check the price and details now. Code of the saree MH745 and the price of the saree 24,099. Let's move on to another lovely beautiful saree. We have another dark color saree, very beautiful color. Wow. Let me show you the body now. Beautiful dark brown color saree we have. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with cheetahs. It's silver zari, very pretty. Let's check the beautiful border is highlighted with golden and silver zari cheetah. Very beautiful, very pretty. Let's check the pallu now. They have given running pallu with diamond pattern, golden zari, very pretty. And the blouse is highlighted with golden zari border, very beautiful. Let's check the price and details now. Code of the saree MH745 and the price of the saree 24,099. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Beautiful, elegant Banarasi silk saree. As you can see, the overall body of the saree, we have golden and silver zari flower booties. Mehendi green color, very beautiful color. With florals, with floral jewel pattern. If you can see the border, border is highlighted with beautiful flower booties, golden zari. Self border they have given. Amazing. Let's check the pallu now. Running pallu with floral jaw pattern with golden zari. Very pretty. The sari has a lovely blouse, as you can see, highlighted with golden zari border. Very beautiful. To shop this sari, take a screenshot along with the details. That is, code of the sari MH748 and the price of the sari 19,699. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move to another Banarasi silk. We have a dark color, very lovely color. It's orange orange color, as you can see. Body of the sari is highlighted with golden and silver zari birds and flower booties. Very beautiful. Let's check the beautiful border now. The border is highlighted with horses, cheetahs in a silver zari with golden zari, beautiful flower and leaf booties. Very beautiful and elegant. Let's see the pallu. They have given running pallu with flower motifs. Very beautifully designed. And this beautiful sari has a lovely blouse. Very lovely blouse. We have orange color blouse with golden zari border. Very beautiful. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the details. That is code of the sari MH746 and the price of the sari 24,999. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another beautiful Banarasi silk sari. Very elegant color, beautiful color, yellow color sari. We have the overall body of the sari is highlighted with meenas, with golden and silver zari leaf and flower motifs. The beautiful border is highlighted with floral jar with silver zari. Very pretty. Let's see the pallu. They have given beautiful running pallu highlighted with diamond shape pattern silver zari. Very pretty blouse we have. As you can see, the blouse is highlighted with zigzag pattern, small leaf and flower booties with silver zari. Very pretty. Let's see the present details now. Code of the sari KG940 and the price of the sari 33,999. Let's move on to another beautiful sari. Beautiful black color sari, Banarasi silks. As you can see, overall body of the sari is highlighted with floral jar with silver booties, flower booties and golden leaves. Very beautiful. Let's check the border now. Border is highlighted with small leaf booties with golden zari. Let's check the pallu. Beautiful running pallu highlighted with flower booties. Very pretty, right? This sari has very lovely blouse, black color blouse with golden zari border. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the details, that is code of the sari MH751 and the price of the sari 14,899. And send it to our WhatsApp number 8900010002. Let's move on to another last beautiful sari from a Banarasi collection. Very beautiful, elegant onion pink color. The body of the sari is highlighted with meenas, flower booties, floral jar pattern. The beautiful border is highlighted with silver zari. Silk border they have given. Very pretty. Let's check the pallu. Very beautiful pallu, highlighted with floral jar, with meenas. And this beautiful sari has a very lovely blouse. You can see the blouse. The blouse is highlighted with meenas with silver zari pattern, diamond shape, very beautiful. Let's check the price and details now. Code of the sari MH760 and the price of the sari 30,599. That's it for today, my beautiful ladies. I'll be back with you another lovely collection. Till then, namaste.
I was looking for a Kanchivaram sari. I just came to this place. The varieties are very good and colors also. So it's very nice, you know, the experience was good. I bought a sari, Kanchi Pattu sari for 20,000. Usually I buy saris from Kanchipuram. I'm used to the silk, soft silk saris, you know, from Kanchi. I saw that even here, you know, they have displayed the same type of material and Even the quality was very good, and they're very courteous also, the people who are working here. So I'm happy.